Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Itunu and thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you guys so much for your comments and your likes and for subscribing to my channel, and I really appreciate it. I've seen like quite a number of new subscriptions recently, so thank you. In today's video I'll be showing you guys my eyebrow routine, so that's why I'm here with bare brows, bare everything. But then again, I mean, it's sometimes not everyday makeup. Sometimes I will come on here with no makeup, and yeah, because I mean, this is my face. What's the big deal? So yeah guys, I will be showing you my eyebrow routine because I know in my previous video I had already like pre-done my eyebrows and my eyeshadow, so I will come on here and give you guys more of like an in-depth eyebrow tutorial. So in case anybody was wondering like, man, she already did eyebrows, how am I going to do my own eyebrows, you know? So you can just watch this video and share with your friends, share with any friends that you know has struggling eyebrows. Don't tell them that because they have struggling eyebrows. Just be like, oh hey, look at this channel, I think you'll like it, you know? So yeah, let's just jump right into it then, shall we? So basically, to start off, I would usually just brush my brows, and I'm the kind of person who does my eyebrows first before the rest of my face. So, and then I have this razor. Previously, I would tweeze, but of recent, I'm just like, anybody got time for that kind of pain, you know? I mean, you get used to it after a while, but fam, it still hurts. Let's be honest. So this is what I do. Because I've already been shaving my eyebrows, I kind of know where to get rid of the hair. So I guess with like some kind of practice, you will kind of figure out the shape that you want. I don't have a lot of hair on my brows anyway, so I don't go too far. So I go ahead and brush it. I think this is just fine for me. I will be using this brow pencil that literally everybody and their grandma has in Nigeria, and this is the darkest one. I think it's the color 303. It's like half of the number is cleaned off. I don't know if it's 003 or 303. I think it's 003. Yeah. So basically, it's the darkest one that they have. So I'm just gonna go ahead and sharpen that a little bit. Yeah. How I will start off with my brows is, like, I already kind of know where it naturally starts. I know it starts, like, it seems a bit faded here, but what you want to do is start drawing from inside. So I know this is where my brow starts, so I'm gonna go like this and join that line that is a bit more obvious. So I'm just gonna go like from the inside and draw it out. So now that the line from the center of my face has met my brow in the middle, I'm just gonna extend it all the way out, following the natural curve. I hope you guys can see properly. So I'm gonna go to the top. Usually I don't like to meet the top line. Basically how this goes is that you draw a line at the bottom and a line at the top. So I usually don't like the line to be exactly parallel to this one. So I start a little further back for the line on top. So I'm just basically just outlining the brow. So this is basically the outline. This is the shape that I would be going for. So I'll go ahead and just like brush any hairs that are outside the line. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in the brow, starting from the outside. So I'm going to fill in the outside. And then when I get close to the front, I kind of fill in more at the bottom than at the top. So it's kind of like a slanted line. Can you see? So there's more at the bottom here and very little to nothing. There's basically nothing up here, and then it's just like a slanted line. So what I will then do is take this spoolie brush and just brush up that color. Brush up the pencil mark. So yeah, you can really see the difference between this brow and this one. This is so much more defined, and this is just quite sparse, really. But yeah, so this is one almost done. So we're gonna move on to concealing, and this is what really helps to define and make that brow pop. So for concealer, I'll be using this concealer palette from Hema here in the Netherlands. This is the darkest one. So they have two. There's one highlight shade, there's one contour shade, and then there's a skin color shade and a color corrector. So the color corrector is the one in orange. So I'm going to be using the skin color because I'm not about that halo brow lifestyle. So if you are, woohoo, more power to you. But I'm just going to go with the skin color shade on this concealer brush. It's a flat concealer brush. And yeah, so I just take a bit and then I use it to outline the brow, like I will show you guys now. So you want to go from the inside, gentle strokes, guys, because I still mess this up like till date. So you want to take your time with it. There's really no need to rush. So just do it like as slowly as you can, just to make sure that you get it right. And you don't have to do it in one full stroke. You can just take little strokes, but just make sure you're precise. I'm just gonna stop talking so I can do this properly. Okay, as you guys can see, I've kind of messed up the brow at this point, but I don't freak out because concealer, that's what concealer is for. It's to just pretty much clean up your errors. So I'm going to go over the top of the same concealer and just pretty much outline it again. Very gentle strokes. So I just take the flat side of the brush and then I just spread it all the way up. You can always just go back and forth if you've made a mistake. So I'm gonna go with my finger and just pat this into my skin. So lastly, I like to go in with a setting powder. I'll be using the benign setting powder in Topaz, just to set the areas that I concealed. So I just take a brush like this, like a regular eyeshadow brush, and I just dab it into the powder, and then I'll just set the areas that I concealed first, because I actually usually set my actual brow with powder, because sometimes my brows get really oily, especially when I'm out and about in the sun and all of that. So I just set everywhere with the powder, and then after setting it, I just sweep away the excess. And finally, I'll go in again with my spoolie and just make it a little bit more sparse towards the front. And that's it, guys. That's pretty much it for this video. So this is the brow that is not done, and then this is the one that is. So definitely you can just see like more life, like it looks more as opposed to this. So you can just see the difference. So yeah, guys, that is my eyebrow routine. I trust that this was useful. If you have any more questions about my eyebrow routine, please leave them in the comment section below and I will be sure to respond to them. And if you're new to my channel, once again, don't forget to subscribe on your way out. And also you can stick around and watch more videos, which will pop up in a few minutes. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.